Hi everyone, today is Tuesday and it's StampTV YouTube Day. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 best things to do in Delray Beach, Florida. While thinking of a place to settle in, I'll give you some tips on how to enjoy your stay in Delray Beach, Florida. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now let's get started. Number 1, hang out at one of the most beautiful beaches in South Florida, the Delray Beach. Absolutely gorgeous, always festive things going on. You know, Delray Beach has become a fun, festive, and one-of-a-kind oceanfront town. The walkability, wide range of offerings, and proximity to the beach make downtown Delray a resort town and one of the only downtowns across the United States with a beach attached, allowing visitors and locals to soak up the sun by day and enjoy the nightlife found in Delray's Atlantic Avenue by night. Next, catch a show, take a class, or browse the gallery at Arts Garage in Delray Beach. You know, you can bring your food and drink and enjoy a fabulous musical performance or a play by seasoned performers. Arts Garage is a theater, performing arts academy, and cultural center all rolled into one. You know, appreciate the nature of Murakami Museum and Japanese gardens. Absolutely beautiful. You know, visitors of Murakami Museum and Japanese gardens have the opportunity to discover South Florida's connection with Japan with exploring a series of 6 lush, authentic gardens. Each garden was inspired by a different period and style of Japanese gardening, and all were designed so the museum showcases traditional and Japanese culture throughout engaging exhibits in basically a variety of educational events, world class. You know, there's so many different things to do at Murakami. You and your kids will not want to miss it. Also, you know, you can explore the downtown of Pineapple Grove Arts District. One of a kind, located just off the Atlantic Ave in downtown Delray Beach, the Pineapple Grove Arts District features an eclectic mix of art galleries, boutiques, and shops. It's home to basically all different kinds of artists. Many are local. And last but not least, attend one of the yearly street festivals. So many street festivals all the time in downtown Delray Beach. You're not going to want to miss it. You know, they play a host to an array of fun-filled events, including the Delray Fair, of avenues, all different things. Christmas lights, you have the 100-foot Christmas tree at Christmas time. There are so many things to do in downtown Delray. You're not going to want to miss this amazing town in South Florida. Hope you learned a little bit today. Follow me, like it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next Tuesday.